Welcome! In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. So first, if you want to set the custom watch face on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the COROS application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the COROS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Then we can tap on the profile icon and here we can tap on Pace 3. And here tap on the View All next to Watch Faces category to open the watch face store. Scroll through the list of categories and find the custom one. Tap on it. And in the custom category, you will see this create your own. Tap on it. And here we can first edit the page, basically like the clock and the type of clock, basically how the info on the watch face looks like. So select the one you like, then tap on background, and here you have like pre-existing background, so you can choose, or you can tap on the camera icon and you can take a photo or choose photo from your phone. Take a photo will open the camera app and you can snap a picture and use it as a watch face, and choose photo allows you to select the photo from your phone. I'm going to tap on collections, downloads, and here I have some photos. Let's say I want to use this one. Now we need to crop the image because the whole image won't fit on the watch face, and we can zoom in and zoom out and we can move left and right. So crop the image to your liking, then tap on confirm. And the watch face will be, or the background will be saved. Let me check something first before we continue. Yeah, this will be better. And then we can tap on save. You can name your watch face. And then we can tap on send to watch. And here we have our watch face. And then we can close the app, of course. And that's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.